Hi, welcome back. My name is Adi. In this video, we continue how to perform file versioning in SharePoint. First, open your SharePoint site and select file that you want to perform file versioning. Click three dot and choose version history. You will see version history. Choose which version do you want to restore and click on restore. Once you click restore, the file will automatically restore from the file version you are selected. And done. Now you have learned how to perform file versioning. See you in the next video.